Are we in horror mode? Okay,
Horror
follow
mode
me.
on Monkey Labs with this dude because he wants me to play with him, and I'm agree. All right, bro.
It's pretty
I forgot.
easy.
Oh yeah, you gotta get the button.
I need
Go
help.
straight.
Guys, I can help you. I can help you guys.
Woo.
Just hold on. I get smaller. I don't know why it's a glitch. It shifted that way. I didn't buy the thing. It's just a glitch, guys. That you get like.
I think we went the wrong way. Yep, it's this way.
You guys need help. Yeah, guys. See how much I've shrunken? I can help you guys if we need it.
Oh my God! What the frick? Oh, it's a button. I found a button! Oh, oh my God! What the frick was that? Okay, hold on. I just gotta die. Hey, Blood. Where you at, Blood? I need to kill me. Yo, where's he at? Bro, kill me! Oh, never mind. Don't kill me. Okay, next level. Literally hate everything about this game. Hey, bro! Yo,
Level
Gotta
2,
wait.
here I come.
Oh yeah, come on.
How do I do it?
I forgot we have to find. Oh yeah, we have to find like an axe. No.
Guys, I'm shrunk.
Okay.
I'm shrinking.
Jeez, man.
I'm so faster even though I'm smaller.
Wait, what do we have to find? What do we have to find?
I'm his bait since I'm small.
What the frick? What? Never back down, never what? Never back down, never what?
I didn't get the button. No, I didn't get the button. Please. I didn't get the button. Please.
Guys, guys, run!
Guys,
Oh yeah, it's this way. Oh wait, no, it's not. Oh yeah, it's a key card. I
Guys,
got.
I'll help you out. I'll help you beat these levels.
All right, kill me, buddy.
Bro, I already have the torch.
I'm out. Oh shit. Just kill me. Oh! No, I lost the key card. Oh,
Come on, you could have brought the monster somewhere else.
shut up, bro. All right, where's the? Bro, where? How does he have a banana?
Huh? I got the key card. Let's go back here, guys. I need help doing level 1. I got the key card. What do I do now? I got you. I got you. Come. Okay, I'll show you. What should this do to leave? Here, I'm gonna sleep. Alright, come on.
Wait, where do you have to go? Where's the exit at?
Guys, back up. Guys, back up.
Where's the exit at? Oh, nice.
Back up, guys.
Thank you. Ow!
All I need to do is make a run for it. Get back here. How do you get back here? Come here.
This kid knows where to go, so I'm following him. Oh, nice.
Get in here. Wait for the others. We're gonna do a monkey marathon.
Monkey Mare. Oh, this looks like it's called OG Mines.
Caves.
Yeah, caves.
Upside
whatever.
caves.
Okay, where's the monster on this one? What does he look like?
Oh, just be patient. I'll show you.
Okay.
I'm just gonna wait for the others, okay?
Okay. Do we take the shovel?
I have a gun.
What do you have to
Have a
get?
gun to protect us. Bro. Okay. Get better perspective. Hi.
Okay, I don't really know where the monster is, so I'm
Get
just
through
gonna...
here. Guys, we could do monkey marathon.
Where's the monster at?
No, you. If you do
I'm trying to see.
you're stupid.
Oh, it's in here. Oh! Axe.
Scaredy
I'm
cat.
gonna kill this dude. Where? What? Did you see that? Hey, bro, where's the exit?
I'll show you.
What?
Follow me.
Wrong way.
Yo, the exit's right here.
Where?
Oh my god.
Where? Oh, right here? You're lying. Oh.
Guys, let's do monkey marathon first. Guys,
Oh.
let's do monkey marathon.
Okay, where's the
Y'all
monster
wanted
in
to get
here?
the torch? Y'all want to get the torch? I already have the torch. I know.
What?
Scary cat.
What the frick is that? I'm dead. What was that? What was that thing? Frick was that? Button! 2.
What's up, bro?
Why is this game so freaking scary? Okay, everybody. Oh, that's the exit. Okay, everybody, I'm gonna end the recording.